The principal investigator of the genetically modified cowpea project, Professor Mohammed Faguji Ishiyaku, in an interview with ABUFM Radio, said the modified organism is capable of protecting itself against what he called pot borer, whose attack lowers yields by between 80 to 90%. Professor Faguji said apart from the fact that it will provide farmers with an alternative to costly and hazardous insecticide spraying, it will also increase their production.
This is new in the sense that there hasn't been any beans of its kind that resist a particular insect. There is a destructive field insect which farmers, most cowpea farmers or beans farmers are aware of this insect. The insect causes up to 90% yield loss in the field and very high infestation. And all other conventional methods of beans improvement has not proved anything possible to control the insect. Instead, farmers have to resort to the use of very expensive insecticides, which are often very harmful. So our challenge was to develop a beans that will naturally protect itself against this destructive insect.
The agriculturalist explained how he and his team were able to achieve this feat.
Until recently came the advent of a technique called genetic engineering. This method of biological research enables scientists to take factors that are responsible for expressing heritable characters. They are called genes from one species to another. For example, you can take genes from beans into cowpea, into sorghum, or from sorghum into millet. Ordinarily, without the employment of genetic engineering techniques, that is not possible. This is the technique that we tried, and with some difficulties, we are able to overcome the barrier, and has enabled us to put this gene that will enable the beans to protect itself without a spray. If this insect is placed on these beans, the insect will not inflict any damage.
Harping on its economic advantages, Faguji said the modified cowpea will save Nigeria about 48 billion naira from spray importation, as well as gain about 16 billion naira in profit.
When we are conducting our research, I will give you one instance where we recorded up to 5-fold in yield increase. 5 times. So this is the yield increase is very huge, and we computed that if 1/3 of our beans field to be planted by our farmers is planted to this new material, we will get a total national gain of about 16 billion naira every year. Savings in terms of insecticide this country is going to make annually from importation of insecticide, we estimated 48 billion naira every year.
The modified cowpea is a product of 10 years experiment, which is why a saying goes, a dream does not become a reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination, and hard work.